Esan dizuegu rockaren historio laburra kontatuko genituela. Aipatu gabe itxi ditugu musikari eta talde handiak, pila bat, bai? Hau bakarrik izan da olako aperitibo txiki bat, bai? Zuek etxean entzun dezazuen musika eta guk gonbidatzen zaituztegu ere jotzera. Oso divertigarria da, benetan. Hemen gauden guztiok esan dezakegu musikak gure bizitza aldatu zuela, sin lugar a dudas. Así que, bueno, behintzat ez baduzue jotzen, disfrutatu musikarekin, gauza asko ikasten dira, gainera esaten dute buruarentzako dala la leche, osea, super askarra egiten zarela, ez dakit nik, baina ez broma izan da hori. Baina asko disfrutatzen dugu, bale? Orain joko dugu, guri asko gustatzen zaigu musika beltza, joko dugu soul musika, funk musika, James Brownen I Feel Good. I feel good. Hori, ezagutzen duzu, ezta? Eta gero ikus dezazuen nola gaurko musikariek ere kopiatzen duten edo influentziak dauzkaten. Nik hau guztia badakit, ari naiz kontatzen zuentzako, beraz ez baduzue entzuten zuentzako txarrago. Bai? Joko dugu James Brownen ostean, Justin Timberlakeen abesti bat laburtxoa, denborarik ez digulako ematen, ikus dezazuen nola influentzia hartzen den toki guztietatik. Bale? Mi esker.
I feel good. I knew that I could now. I feel good. I knew that I could now. Hey, so good, so good. I got you. I feel nice, like so good as pie. I feel nice, like so good as pie. So nice, I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I can't get doing no wrong. When I hold you in my arms, I can't get doing no wrong. And I feel good, I knew that I could now. I feel nice, that sugar and spice. So nice, I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I can't get doing no wrong. When I hold you in my arms, I can't get doing no wrong. And I feel, I knew that I could now. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So good, so nice, I got you. So good, so good, I got you. So nice, I got you.
Txalo handi bat, txubio, bajoan, txubio. Txubio. Eta, ahaztu baino lehen, orain abesti hasteko, teklatuan, beste teklatuan, el gran Goyo!
Goyo! Es de verdad, ¿eh?
gran, pertsona ona musikariare, baina oso altua delako, ezta?
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're feeling up, not setting, wearing our song. I got the shotgun in my pocket, got that guitar in my feet. I found that what button when it rolls. But I think my eyes are not fit, moving so finally. But to look the way rockers, so don't talk. Under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide, we're not getting close. When we move, when you already know. So just imagine, nothing I can see but you dance. Feeling good, good creeping, know you will stand. All those things that should but do, but you dance. And anybody leaving, seems to just dance. Feeling, can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling. It's in my body, it's charging on. I don't know reason, don't need control. Face so high, no sailing down. I fly so high, no sailing when I am on song. Cause I got gun in my pocket, got that God is touching me. I can stop down in my body when it goes. When I'm back and feeling up it, moving on so finally. Come to look the way we're up it, then we stay. Under the lights where nobody knows. No matter how, when nobody knows. When we move, when you already know. So just imagine, nothing I can see but just dance. Nowhere they will fit, but just dance. All the feelings should have been, but just dance. And if I believe in soon, but just dance. Can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling. Eskerrik asko.
Ni esker, urrengo arte, entzun musika, jo musika eta disfrutatu, bale?